You can build a reimagined chorded keyboard inspired by Douglas Eaglebart's 1968 mother of all demos. This is a USB HID device that has 5 keys that can be pressed simultaneously in different combinations to type out full words and phrases. Original chording key sets are designed to be used the same way you would play chords on a piano. Ideally, this will let you type without having to move your hand. In our setup, we can press 2 or 3 keys to type out phrases, while single key presses type full words. Our project features an Adafruit QTPy RP2040 running CircuitPython. Piano-style keys feature a hinged lever mechanism that strike low-profile CHOC Key Switches. There's no custom PCB, just CHOC Key Switches in an Adafruit QTPy RP2040. Our 3D printed snap-fit enclosure closely follows the mechanical design of the original Xerox Alto keyset. At the top of the code is a dictionary where the strings and key combinations are listed so you can easily customize them. The keypad module in the USB HID CircuitPython library is used to handle the key presses. For a full step-by-step tutorial, check out the guide at learn.adafruit.com. 5 CHOC Key switches snap fit into a key plate that's secured to the base of the enclosure. A dowel is inserted through a hinge built into the keys and rests on a bracket. The QTPy is fitted into a holder that's secured to the base. We've also included a downloadable step file that you can import into open source CAD software like Blender and FreeCAD. Although the chorded keyboard didn't quite stand the test of time, we hope this inspires you to get creative and build your own custom devices using CircuitPython.